Now let's move on to the next exercise, where what we will do is we will ask the user to write how many cubes the user wants to build. Okay, so for that we have to go to sensing, and here you can see there is one option, request user input. So we can put it here, request user input, and inside this box we can write what you want to ask the user. So we will ask a question. The question is how many cubes you want, and whatever answer he will give, it will get stored in this answer. So what we can do is we can click here and you can see the answer is now getting displayed. So whatever answer user will give, for example, if user gives an answer of 3, it will get saved in this answer button, or you can say this is a variable. So in this variable the answer will get saved. So for right now we will not get into the depth of what is a variable. We just want to understand that whatever answer will come will get saved in this variable answer. Okay, so let's just run this program. It is asking how many cubes you want. Say let's write 4 and press enter. So it has built only 3 cubes if you see, but here answer variable is showing 4. So answer variable has got its value 4, but the number of cubes built is 3. Why? Because in the repeat loop we have not put the value of this variable, how many times this statement should be repeated. This is still 3. So in the last program we made 3 cubes and we kept this statement as 3, and the repeat loop has only 3 repetitions. But to get 4 cubes we need to have 4, and instead we need to have this answer variable inside this repeat loop. So how many times we want to repeat it? We want to repeat it by the number of times the answer has come. So the answer is 4. So now automatically it will get stored here, and the repeat loop will now repeat by the answer. If we now again run the program, it is going to ask us how many cubes you want. Let's now write 2 and say enter. So here you can see the answer has changed to 2, and because we have put the answer variable in the repeat loop, so it will repeat the loop by the number of times we have put in the answer. So answer is 2, so that's why we have 2 squares here, or 2 cubes. So we have to always remember that we have to repeat the repeat loop by number of times the answer has come. So we have to put this variable here. Now let's again reset it and let's again run it. Now it is asking for how many cubes again. Now let's write it 5 and say enter. So you have built a program where you take input from the user, how many cubes that user wants, and this program can build as many cubes as the user wants. So if you go to the 3D mode, you can see it looks so complex, but we have built it with such an ease of programming. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.